Hello everyone! Today, we introduce Pansol Precast T-beam steel formwork, a reliable partner in bridge construction. From 6-meter standard spans to 25-meter super long spans, and from 1.2-meter base panels to modular wide-width designs, Pansol T-beam steel formwork offers flexible modular configurations to meet global bridge design standards such as OSHDO and N1991. Pansol Precast T-beam steel formwork delivers exceptional performance. Made from high-strength specialty steel through precision rolling and heat treatment, it achieves a 40% increase in compressive strength and vibration deformation of less than 0.1 millimeter. The formwork surface is finely polished and coated with anti-rust layers, ensuring smooth concrete release, enhanced surface quality of precast T-beams, and extended service life. Pansol's production process prioritizes strict quality control. We source materials exclusively from premium steel suppliers. Welding is performed by Pansol's professional team, with welds undergoing non-destructive testing to meet industry-leading standards. Every finished product is rigorously inspected for dimensions, flatness, and strength. Only qualified formwork receives the Pansol certification before leaving the factory. Pansol T-beam steel formwork enables fast installation. Its modular design allows workers to assemble it quickly with equipment, improving efficiency by over 50% compared to traditional methods. During concrete pouring, the unique sealing design and leak-proof materials ensure flawless casting quality, boosting both productivity and cost-effectiveness. From elevated hubs in Southeast Asia to transoceanic bridges in the Middle East, over 300 global projects have chosen Pansol. With Pansol steel formwork, every bridge becomes a landmark of its era.